Welcome back. It's a pleasure to have you on the channel once again. This remains Pendomatics, the complete online school of mathematics. Here we teach mathematics topic by topic until making it easy for you to understand and follow. Alright, welcome back. I'm Pendulum. I'm your tutor on this channel, which you should know by now if you've been following us. If you're new, you're welcome as well. Please be part of the channel by subscribing and turning on our notifications. So just hit that subscribe button and then ring the notifications bell so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified to come and watch and learn something new. We upload a lot of videos, 2-3 videos every week, and each one has a lot to teach you. All right. Welcome. We are still looking at mathematics of finance. This is discount, the second video we are making on discount, and today you see that we have a quite more complicated example than what we saw in the other video, the first video. All right, so it's just one question, and after this we're done with discount. Discount is not difficult. Like I keep saying, mathematics of finance is not difficult. All right, so let's go into this, and as we do so, don't forget to like the video. Just drop a thumbs up. It will take you 2 seconds, literally. Drop your thoughts in the comment. If you have questions or observations or anything you want to contribute, just put it in the comments. I want to read from you and know what you think. And finally, share this video. Very important. All right, copy the link, put it everywhere you can. Even share to your enemies. You're helping them. All right, you're pouring cold hot coals on their feet. Share it everywhere. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Help somebody find the channel and become better at mathematics. All right, so that being said, let's jump into this. Now we are told that a trader sells her cartons of chicken at a 25% profit. All right, she sells her cartons of chicken at a 25% profit. Now she eventually discounts 10% for a customer who buys 12 cartons for a party at 7,000 naira each. So remember, we say one of the reasons traders give discount is bulk purchase. So this person bought 12 cartons, and because of that, she decided to discount 10% of the price. All right. Normally, she sells at 25% profit, but she now removes 10% for this person because he's buying 12 cartons at 7,000 naira each. So you're asked to calculate how much she bought each carton of chicken that she sold to the customer. All right, so let's look at this, how we do it. Percentage profit, let's start from that. And this question will make us take a detour into percentage profit and loss. But first of all, percentage profit is 25 minus 10. All right, 25 is the percentage profit she usually sells it for, 25%. But for this customer, she will remove 10%, which means that at the end of the day, she's only going to make 15% profit on this particular item. All right, 15% profit as opposed to 25% other times. Then I said this is going to take us on a little detour into another topic or another area of mathematics called percentage profit and loss. All right, so I'll take maybe 3 to 5 minutes to explain that, so that in case you do not know about percentage profit and loss, that is enough for you to have an understanding of it. Now, when we talk of, we have profits and we have loss. All these are trading terms. Profit means you make a gain on what you buy. All right, so you buy something at a particular price and you sell it at a higher price. That means you've made a profit or you've made a gain. This is what every trader dreams of. So you buy this for 200 naira and you sell it for 250. You've made a profit of 50 naira. All right, that's what trading is all about, making profit. So profit basically is your selling price minus the cost price. All right, remember that to make profit, you have to sell it for a bigger amount than you bought it. All right, so that's why your selling price is subtracting your cost price. Whatever remains is your profit. Selling price is the amount you sold it for. Cost price is the amount you bought it for. That's for profit. Then the opposite of profit is loss. loss is when you buy this for 200 and you're selling it for 150. So you're selling it for less than what you bought it, which means you are losing some money. All right. So in that case, loss is cost price minus selling price. In this case, the cost price is bigger. You bought it for more than you are selling it, and this is not an ideal situation. All right. So business people tend to avoid loss, and one of the things that can cause loss is probably if you have products that are deteriorating. Maybe you have perishable goods that are already spoiling or perishing, or you have assets that are maybe losing value or going out of season. All right, instead of it completely spoiling in your hands, or just remaining with you and nobody buys them, it may be preferable to sell it at a loss to recoup some money. All right, but this is not ideal. Now I want to talk of percentage profit. All right, we can express this profit as a percentage, and the formula for doing this is profit all over cost price times 100 over 1. This is the formula for finding percentage profit. If you want to express your profit as a percentage, your profit, which is SP minus CP, that means I can write this as SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price, all over cost price times 100 over 1. I can write it like this because percentage profit is profit all over cost price times 100 over 1. Right? So, and then percentage loss, if you want to express your loss, if you made a loss and you want to see how many percent or how much percent it is, I don't know if that's correct, it's going to be loss over cost price times 100 over 1. So both of them are over cost price. Cost price is the reference. You either make a profit or loss with reference to the cost price. That's why it's under for both of them. All right. You make a profit when you sell more than you buy. So you still with reference to the cost price. Now you're on the right hand side. If this is the cost price, you make a profit when you're on the right hand side, when you sell more than you buy, and you make a loss when you bought for more than you sold. That means you're now on the left hand side. Your selling price is less than the cost price in the middle. So both of them, both profits on the right hand side, your selling price on the right hand side, and loss, your selling price on the left hand side, are both with reference to the cost price. That's why you have cost price under here, cost price under here. All right. So and remember your loss is CP minus SP all over CP times 100 over 1. So you can remember these two formulas. Whenever you see percentage profit or percentage loss, this is how it's calculated. All right, is a topic on its own or a subtopic on its own in mathematics. So this is it, in case you've not done it before, and it's not difficult. Now somebody may ask, what if your selling price is equals to cost price? In that case, you didn't make a profit, you didn't make a loss. All right, you just got your money back. We call that break even. Break even. You didn't gain, you didn't lose. You just got your money back. So if I bought this for 200 and I eventually sell it for 200, I have not gained, I have not lost. I just got my money back. All right. So that's break even. So we are going to use this to solve this. Now remember, this is a profit. So we are using this formula. All right. Now percentage profit is selling price minus cost price. That's this all over cost price times 100 over 1. All right. Now our profit is 15%. Okay. We're asked to find cost price, so we don't know what the cost price is. But what is our selling price? Now selling price is one of the chicken is 7,000, and one of the cartons of chicken is 7,000, and the guy bought 12 cartons. 7,000 for 1 times 12 that the customer bought. That will give us 84,000. That's the selling price. So that's the total the customer spent on everything. Alright. So now let's put into our formula. This is our formula. So percentage profit is 15 Then our selling price 84,000 minus our cost price all over cost price times 100 over 1. Right now, everything here is going to multiply 100. So 100 will multiply this and 100 will multiply this. Something like this. 100 will multiply both of them. So we have 15 is equals to 84,000 times 100. Just write 84,000, then add 2 zeros, minus CP times 100 is 100 CP all over CP times 1 CP. Then from here we cross multiply. Alright, so 15 times CP is 15 CP. Everything here times 1, nothing changes. So 84,000, then 2 zeros, which is 8.4 million minus 100 CP. Alright, of course, this is going to come here. So we have 15 CP minus becomes plus 84 million. Yeah, sorry, 8.4 million. Alright, if I add this to 115 CP, is equals to 8.4 million. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 115. So 115 CP all over 115 is equals to 8.4 million over 115. Now we'll divide this. And this gives me that the cost price is 73,044 naira. If I'm approximating it to the nearest naira, 73,044 naira. Alright, but this is not what they asked you to find. They didn't ask you to find the cost price of everything they bought. They asked you the cost price or the amount she bought each carton. This is the cost price for this is what she spent on buying the 12 cartons. Alright, and then she eventually sold the 12 cartons for 84,000. She bought 12 cartons for 73,044. So cost of each carton, you just simply divide this by 12 since it's 12 cartons she sold. So if I divide this by 12, I'm going to get 6,087 naira. Alright, I'm approximating all the figures to nearest naira. So 6,084 naira is the cost of each carton. That's how much she bought each carton. And then she eventually sold each carton for 7,000 naira each. Alright, so you can see that this is not difficult. Just remember this formula, put in your values, your profit percentage, then your selling price minus your cost price all over your cost price times 100. And remember that here, when you're multiplying here, make sure you use 100 to multiply this, 100 to multiply this. It must multiply two of them. Alright, then you cross multiply and solve the rest. Okay, so if you have questions, put it in the comments. But I believe this is very clear, very straightforward. If you have observations, put it in the comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, just drop a thumbs up, and then share this video, because I know and you know it will help somebody that needs it. All right. Finally, here's your assignment. It's a bit similar to this. All right. So a shop owner put his shed at a particular price that enables him make a gain of 20%. That was his intention, to make a gain of 20%. But during the Christmas season, the shirt was eventually sold at a 10% discount. So originally it was supposed to be 20% profit, but then you now give a 10% discount. So the eventual percentage profit is just 10%, 20 minus 10, 10% profit eventually. And it was sold for 3,400 naira. So you're asked to calculate the price of the shirt. How much was the shirt bought by the shop owner? Alright, so you can do it the same process or similar process to this. Alright, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Next video will be going into depreciation and appreciation, still under mathematics of finance. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss that video, and turn on a notification so that you'll be notified immediately it goes up and you come and watch and learn something new. Alright, share this video again, and I'm reminding you so that you help somebody else to get better at mathematics. Alright, share this video, share this channel. Alright, God bless you. Keep learning. I will see you in the next video. Bye.